In this video, I will try and provide you with a few reasons why water might be leaking into your sunroom on the floor. This wouldn't have anything to do with the roof, but let's go ahead and take a look at how it's assembled. Usually you have some channel metal attached to the foundation and channel metal for the corners and where it intersects, and then it has panels that slide in between, and that's what holds the whole thing together, usually the metal here. Now you are going to have some sunrooms where the walls are even with the foundation on the outside, and some of them where the foundation protrudes past. And the water can actually get underneath the channel. Any gaps, cracks, imperfections in the concrete could allow the water to go underneath, and this is usually what's happening. The water will pool up on the concrete somehow, and then it just simply goes underneath the metal. That's going to be your biggest problem. But we also have to keep in mind that water can actually get trapped inside the channel like this. And any breaks where there's a gap where the two pieces of channel metal join together, like for example, if you have 10-foot channel metal, but your room is 16 foot long, you're going to have a break where they join together. This could be another area where it's leaking if water is getting in between the panels and filling up this little section here. Let's go to the other side. If you have your soil, if the soil is down low enough, the water isn't going to rise up here and create a bigger problem, but you can still have water leaking into this area, filling up the channel, coming on the other side, if the channel metal on the other side isn't higher. I would think that they would have the channel metal a little lower on this side and a little higher on this side to solve that problem. But we got to keep in mind that water, if you have a situation like this, can actually go underneath the metal still. Any imperfections in the concrete, any gaps here. So you could always seal the outside, seal the bottom of this with some caulking, and maybe seal this if the problem is still persisting. You could always seal the inside, just kind of giving an idea for caulking here. Seal this. I don't recommend sealing both sides because it could trap the water in there. So seal either the outside or the inside. Now another problem could be the doors. If you have a small threshold, which some of these do, you might actually need to remove it and install a larger threshold. And keep in mind that the water if you are having a problem with water filling up in the area, puddling up, you got to keep in mind that the thresholds might need to be sealed where they butt the channel metal, and underneath the thresholds also might need to be sealed. Just kind of showing you here how the water can go in, but if you have a puddle that's a little higher than the threshold, you would need to install a taller one is kind of what I'm saying. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. If you do, now the person who sent me the idea for this video or the question has a problem with their landscaping. The landscaping is the water's pooling up around the sunroom, and it's actually staying there, just kind of hanging out. And you might need to, if this is the case, redo the landscaping to where the water drains off and doesn't get caught or pool up in these areas here. So that's probably going to be the biggest concern, would be to get rid of the water, but it wouldn't hurt to put some sealant on here. And get rid of the water if you can. So I am going to make a follow-up video to this one. I do have a couple more ideas for things you can do, and I will put a link at the end of the video for that when it is completed.